Hello guys, in this video I will show you a website which gives you 7 days of Claude Opus and Claude Fable for totally free. So you can enjoy 7 days of Claude Opus, Claude Fable. The website name is Aerolink.lat. So go to the browser, simply type this address and the interface looks something like this. I recently discovered this website 1 week ago and it's a very simple website which provides you with a free API key of Claude which you can use it in any kind of agent. So now to get started, as you see, you click on start for free and you have this option of sign up with Google. So simply click and just grant access of your Google account and you will get some initial credits once you sign up, and I will show you how to activate the API key. So once you log in, you will be granted with this interface as you see. And now to create a brand new API key, you go to the API key section and click on new key and just create a brand new API key. So this will be your API key, as you can see that. Simply copy this API key and simply store this. So let me just store this API key. So after that, now to use this API key, it's very simple. You can use it in Claude Code or Codex CLI, any kind of agent you can use it. Or this is actually the base URL. If you're using it through Claude or Codex, so these are the base URLs. So they have given full instructions, as you see. If you're using Claude or Codex CLI or Claude Code CLI. So how to set up, they have given full instructions. First of all, install the Claude code, then create this settings.json file. So let me just show you how to use it with Claude code. So I create this settings.json file. I paste this code and right here you need to paste this API key that you got. So let me just paste this API key. And here also you need to paste. So that's all that you need to do. After that, you start the Claude code. Simply type Claude. I have already installed Claude code, so now the interface will look something like this, as you see. So Anthropic third-party platform. So let me just verify it. Simply log in with the Claude account. So you can see that now it is actually consuming all the tokens that we created inside settings.json, and it is responding to us. So I haven't purchased any subscription. I haven't As you see, we haven't top up anything. We simply created API key at this website, created a settings.json, and now it is responding to us. So let me just ask any question. Top 10 Node.js in 2026. So it is, as you can see, it is consuming these tokens. So this is a really good website, guys. If you want Claude code totally free for 7 days, go to this website Aerolink.lat and simply sign up. As you see, we are inside the free plan, the balance. So it just provides you with this free trial. So $35 it provides you per week. So once you sign up, you can basically sign up using multiple accounts to enjoy free trial for 7 days. So you can see that it provides you $5 for 5 hours, $35 weekly. So free for 1 week after verification. So this free trial, as you see that. So once you create this settings.json file, in the documentation also they have shown this. So as you see that, just make sure that this settings.json is present inside your Claude directory. This is will be present in the C directory, and go to the users, and whatever is your username, go to that, and there will be this directory called as Claude. Let me just show you this Claude directory. Yeah, so you will see this Claude directory. Inside this, you need to have this settings.json file. Sorry, you need to go to this directory and then edit that file. So that's the mistake that I was doing. So you need to open this settings file and then paste the API key. So this actually holds all the settings of your Claude. So what you need to do, so just paste this inside this and just restart the Claude and just open a new directory. Let me just open command line and restart Claude. So simply type here Claude, and now it will actually take these settings. So you will see that it is detected a custom API key environment. So I need to use this API key. So I will simply say yes. So after that, now it is using that API key. So simply type any kind of message. So as you see that now it will try to, you can see that, hey, what are you working on? So in this easy way, guys, let me ask another question. Top 10 Node.js frameworks. So in this easy way, you can use Claude code inside for totally free for 7 days, and it is currently working. As you see that at the time of recording this video, so don't waste any time. Go to the website because these offers can be taken away at any moment of time. So you don't need to waste time. So as you can see, it gives my the top 10 frameworks. And let me just make another, let me delete all the files from here and simply tell this to make a image to PDF web app in browser, make a index.html file in current. So I simply ask it to make an application image to PDF web app in the current directory, make an index.html file. So now Claude code will starting to write a script. So as you can see guys, we are using this custom API key that we got. The instructions are quite simple if you are using Claude Code or Codex CLI. This website provides you with free API key, and for 7 days you can enjoy Claude Code for totally free. All your usage will directly come right here, how much usage you have done. So you will see that all the requests that we made, you can see we are using Claude Opus, Claude Opus, Claude Opus. These are all the tokens that we consumed, total number of requests, input, output cost, everything will be listed out here. How much request, how much tokens that you consumed, how much you spent. So in the total of 5 hours, you get $5. So as you see that how much it is left, it will be shown to you. So this website, I think it's a very good website. And you can see that now the tokens are being consumed. And once it finishes, it will create a brand new application. So you can see that the file has been created, index.html by Claude Opus. We are using the latest model. So these are all the tokens which are consumed, as you see that. Now I can simply open this application, what this Claude has built the application for us. This is our application image to PDF that it has built, fully fleshed application, as you can see that. So if I open this now, you will see that these much of tokens are consumed, 5 requests we have made. This is the total cost that you spent. It is totally free because you get this $5 window in 5 hours. So definitely check this website out guys, Aerolink.lat. So it is perfectly working for getting Claude Opus and using in Claude code directly for free. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel and also comment.